Without doing the actual division method, we need to find out the remainder of the number. Given number, whenever that number is divide by 9. Now we'll see the solution for this, and we'll write the number once again, what the number they had given. That is 1, 2, 9, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8, 4. That is divided by 9, but not a normal method. Now we'll see how it is divided. However 9 we will get 9, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 6 9, 8 plus 1 9. Like that we'll get cancel first. Okay, and we remain with 7 plus 4. If we add this 7 plus 4 also, we will get 11. In that also 9 is there. So remainder is 2 here. If we do by using the normal division method also, the number divided by 9, we will get the same remainder, that is